Hey guys, back with another DIY video. Okay, so do you guys get these lighters from Dollar Tree? I know I do because I have candles all over my house, right? But are you like I used to be, where every time this window here gets empty, you see it? It's like hardly nothing in there. You toss it. Guess what? We're going to save you some coins because you know that's what I do, is show you how to save your coins. Do not toss these. And I'm going to show you something that's going to save you lots of money because it has saved me lots of money, and actually it's been some years now. So yeah, grab you some butane fuel from your local Walmart, maybe like a tool store like a True Value or something like that. You might be able to find that. There's a lot of places, Home Depot, Lowe's, places like that, but this was really inexpensive. I think for this big old 2.75 container, it was less than like $6-7. Okay, I think like $5.80 something, which is not bad. Guess what? I've had this for some years. This came with me, to be honest with you, from, I want to say, yeah, this container came to me. No, I did buy it since I got here. I'm trying to think. Well, I know I at least had this for about 2.5 years at least. Okay, because I think this is the second one that I did buy. But the price of that, not throwing this in the trash and not wasting, and you're still using it, it's giving you like a little bit of a green thumbprint, right? Matches are good too if that's what you want to decide to do. This is my video, and I'm sharing with those who like the lighters, because it's always someone that wants to say, hey, just do this, just do that. Well, as we come into our knowledge of different things, we shall do better in our own way. So anywho, back to what I was saying. This is the lighter, and I'm going to show you just how simple it is. When you get the butane, there's a little teeny tube like that on it, right? And then at the bottom of the lighter, there's a little teeny, see that circle? You want to line this up with that circle, like so. You want to make sure it's inside there. Let me make sure it's inside. And then you just squeeze it. Just that fast, guys. It is that simple. Do not throw your Dollar Tree lighters away. Get you some butane, and this stuff goes a long way. You see, you only putting a nice squirt in there, and this lighter will last me for at least a couple weeks before it goes down. I said, oh, let me fill it up because it's low, and show you guys. I wanted to show you guys this a long time ago, and I forgot. So there you go. Save your coins. Don't keep tossing your lighters. Just refill them with some butane, and you are in there like swimwear. I will talk to you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you share the video, thumbs up the video. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you become a reviver by subscribing, and check the links below, because I have another channel, which is my inspiration channel. And that is where I share all of my inspiration, which I am going to be reconfiguring that channel as well as this one, and make this strictly DIYs and how-tos. So I will see you guys later, Gators.